What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. My apologies for being inconsistent over the last few days. I've had no Wi-Fi. The cables have been down near my place, but I'm in a new house just for today so I can work. Exciting times in the market. Bitcoin broke its high, guys. Solana is currently up 8%. We're going to do a little bit of analysis. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. I think the walls are a bit thin here, so I don't want to get too crazy. But we're sitting at 170. We're up 8.3% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 50.92 billion, 24-hour volume 2.11 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Go grab one of the incredible Visa cards, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So look what happened, guys. We came right back. I had dropped in that 153 level of support, and I said there's about 153, 154. There's a high chance it will come back to retest that previous level of resistance, back test it as support. And we broke out, and it looks like we're heading to our technical target of 178. We should find some resistance here at 174, which is a golden ratio. So do keep an eye on that. We are trending into overbought. However, when the bull run is in full swing, you're going to see many coins stay in overbought for weeks at a time, especially on the hourly time frame. So just something to keep in mind, guys. Here on the 4-hour, we've broken out of our inverse head and shoulders that we went over in our last video. Your target is up at 194. So exciting times for Solana and exciting times for all the altcoins. As you can see here on the side, everything is in green. So beautiful to see. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. All right, guys, if we look at Bitcoin, we broke our all-time high. We also invalidated our bearish divergence on the 4-hour, which is a beautiful sign. And we have the 1.272 extension, which is all the way up at 81K for Bitcoin. Now we are still seeing a bearish divergence with the money flow. However, guys, the fact that we broke our all-time high, there's going to be a lot of FOMO. There's going to be a lot of brand new investors jumping into Bitcoin. A lot of the retail investors that were waiting for it to break its high are now jumping back into not only Bitcoin, but the alts as well. So the next couple months are going to be a lot of fun, in my opinion. All right, guys, so your target 194 from this inverse head and shoulders. Do keep an eye on the golden ratio, could act as resistance at 174. You have your technical target at 178 from our descending broadening wedge. If we open up the daily, just let me open up the chart a little bit. We also have this massive bull flag pattern that I had drawn out weeks ago, and its targets all the way up at 290. We have our future price targets 268, 290 from our bull flag here, and then you have the 1.618 at 337. All right, guys, if we pop back into the 4-hour, we do have some levels of support. Just in case we were to roll over here, there's a high chance that we're going to continue to pump, but we have 161. Which is the 0.5 on the fib. You can see the support in this area. Could act as a level of support, but as of right now, we're seeing some nice volume step in. So keep an eye on 174, 178, and your target from your inverse head and shoulders 194. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts, talking all things crypto. Incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader, as an investor. You can sign up through the Patreon. The link is in the comments. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.